Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok when your direct messages option is not showing up. So first things first, there are some laws regarding TikTok and who can message who. So to send a message in TikTok, you will have to be friends or following the account that you're trying to message. And sometimes, depending on the recipient's privacy settings, they will have to also be friends or following you. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to click on this girl's profile. I'm going to go to the three dots up top, and then I'm going to press send message, and I'm going to say hi and send. And as you can see, I can only send up to 3 messages since this user has not followed me yet. Some places it'll give you this message. On other accounts, like let's go to Jessica Alba. Go to the upper right hand corner, those 3 dots, and click send message. When I sent her a message, it says only friends can send messages to each other. So it really depends on whoever you're sending these messages to, on their privacy settings and on your privacy settings as well. Now, if you are following each other and you're still having this issue, there are a few other laws that were put into place to protect kids under 16 years old. So those under 16 years old do not have access to messaging. There's a whole law that protects kids under 16 where they're just not allowed to message people. If you want to change your birthday on TikTok, you could do that, or you could just wait until you turn 17. Now, another reason why messaging might not be showing up for you is because you do need a valid phone number registered to your account to send messages. So if you didn't sign up with a phone number, then your messaging option may be gone. And this is just to prevent spam in the app. Now, if the message option still isn't showing up after you have checked off all of these things, I do suggest checking for an update, because sometimes when your app is in need of an update, things start to get a little wonky. So let's go to the App Store. You're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner and press search. And then you're going to type up top, TikTok. And so to the right of TikTok, it'll either say open or update. If it says open, your app is fully up to date. If it says update, you are in need of an update. So go ahead and update your TikTok and then check and see if your message option has reappeared. Now, if you are above 16, if you have a phone number registered to your account, if you are following and are followed by the people you want to message, I would report this problem to TikTok. So let's go ahead and open up the app. Go back to your main page. Press me in the bottom right-hand corner. Go to those 3 dots up in the right-hand corner. And then we are going to scroll down to where it says report a problem. You're going to choose a topic, and I'm just going to say notification and message. And then I'm going to click message, and messaging no longer available. And it gives you some options. So it mentions only those aged 16 and over will be able to send and receive direct messages. So if this solved your problem, you can say yes, but I'm going to say no. Still have problem. And then I'm going to say I'm over 16 and can't send messages. And then report. Okay, and you are all set. I hope this video helped you guys and that it was informational for you. Please like and subscribe to this channel and leave comments down below with any questions you may have. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.